Hello Mukesh, how are you doing?
Hello, sir. I am doing great. Actually, I am feeling very relieved that I am consulting you today. This lockdown has made us very difficult to consult you.
Yeah, you are right. This lockdown has created several issues for us. So how can I help you today?
Actually, I need your help in the case that I was diagnosed with asthma at the age of 3 and recently worked
Okay,
with my mom. I was doing dusting and I faced asthma attack and I was prescribed Asthalin inhalers and Pulmicort, and
okay,
then the last few puffs got emptied and it was very difficult for me to cope with the situation. So I want you
okay,
to prescribe something better method that I can cope with my busy schedule and I can take it properly.
okay. So before prescribing, I want to know, are you diagnosed with any other disease along with asthma?
Yes, yes. I was diagnosed with diabetes. Recently, I got a health checkup and I got to know that I am also having diabetes too.
Okay, okay, Mukesh. So in this modern world, I want to let you know about the modern drug delivery system. That is your modern connected drug delivery system. Okay. So I want you to know about this. This will
Okay,
help both of us to keep an eye over your medical records as well as let you know anything in case
okay.
of medical emergencies. Just like you said that your pups were at his last dose. Okay.
Sir, tell me more about connected drug delivery devices. I am unaware about them.
Okay, so Mukesh, actually, or the hospital clinical pharmacist will better tell you about this. So I am
Okay,
forwarding your details to Miss Sanjeevani and Miss Nalini. Okay, they will better let
okay,
you know about this advanced connected drug delivery system. Okay,
okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
so please consult them.
Hi Sanjeevni, is this the right time to talk to you?
Hi Nalini. Yes, it is. I just got free.
Oh, that's so good. I have this consult from Dr. Rohan, and I so wanted to talk to you about
Hmm.
it. So, it's about a
Yeah.
young kid who has diabetes mellitus type 2, and he also has a pre existing condition of asthma. So, me and Dr. Rohan, we both thought that it's very good that if we could put him on some connected drug delivery devices so that he can have a better compliance with his treatments that are going to last for a very, very long time.
Yeah, basically these drug delivery systems or devices, they are attached or they are incorporated capabilities that includes connectivity to wider services. So the context of the patient, the way you have provided me, I feel they would just go perfectly fine for him.
Yeah, so I think
These are really these would really be good because these are Bluetooth technologies and they're used to detect the inhaler use. They remind the patients when to take their medication and to gather data to help guide them with a better care. They have they have potential to improve patient adherence to asthma therapies and keep their condition under control. So these would be like a really good um, product for people, but I hope they would come out soon. And also one more thing, I will really be in touch with this patient and get to him after a few years so that I could provide him with these smart inhalers for sure.
yeah, so right now I think I should talk to him about the drug devices I can provide him now for diabetes, and later we can work with him over the asthma thing. Thank you so much,
Yeah,
Sanjeevni.
thank you so much.
Hello, ma'am. Dr. Sehgal has referred your name to me
Hello
Okay, so you
Mukesh.
must be
related the
Mukesh, right?
consultation. Yes,
Yeah,
yes, ma'am.
he talked to me about you, and me and Sanjeevni, we both came to a decision that right now we may not have inhalers because they're going on through clinical trials and they might be available in a short time. But I would like to suggest you with a good complete glucose monitoring device. So that has to be
Okay,
attached to your abdomen or your arm, and it will be connected to an insulin pump that would go alongside with it, and your insulin would be injected according to your glucose levels, and all the information would come to you on your phone app or the laptop. I think that should go good with you. If you have any problems further, I'll explain the whole process to you and you can consult me anytime after. Sanjeevani, do you want to add something?
Not exactly, but I would like to say that whatever Nalini advised you is just perfect. And I myself would like to reach out to you in a few years when these smart inhalers will be introduced for consumers. And till then, I hope that you stay fine and fit. Just take care of yourself.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thanks for the advice. I'll consult to Dr. Rohan for this. Thank you very much.